I got obsessed traveling in South India. All the way to Hampi from Mangalore. And I had a dessert made out of potatoes. I'm going to take the inspiration from that family, which fed me, and turn it into this dish which I'm cooking for you today. We're making a dish which is inspired by my journey in Hampi. So I used to study in Manipal, but I got obsessed traveling in South India. So every time there were no classes or there was no school, I will be traveling around in Karnataka. And once I went all the way to Hampi from Mangalore. And I had a dessert made out of potatoes. And it was like one of the best desserts. So they did what they did in Hampi, that the family I went and met. They were the farmers based and they were growing millet and all, but little outside before Hampi towards the south. And they made this, it was like a sweet mashed potatoes, sweet. And I just fell in love with it. I thought that was interesting. And it's not a great, it's also amazing that I'm going to take the inspiration from that family, which fed me, and turn it into this dish which I'm cooking for you today. So what I'm doing, I have water here which is boiling. At the same time, I'm going to add some saffron to it. So the dish we are making is saffron potatoes with Shrikant. So combining two beautiful cultures of Karnataka and Gujarat. So to this water, I'm also going to add about 1/3 of a cup of sugar. It's going to create this beautiful, amazing flavor of saffron. At the same time, I'm also going to add some star anise to it for a nice licorice taste and flavor and scent. So about 1 star anise which is broken. See that? That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a potato in a way that it has maximum surface area. Just like this. I'm going to scoop out the middle part of the side. Just like this. So you have this shape, right? So, you know, if you look at it now, cutting it from the middle also adds to the surface area. So it's going to absorb more flavor of the saffron, sugar, and star anise. I'm going to let this boil right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ring mold. So I made very, very, like, almost like, it's little loose for Shrikant, but this is how it's the best to, it's little loose, but it's the best way to make the base for this dessert. And I love creating my own powders like this. So this is a mint powder, and I made a small stencil which goes right on top of this. You will see when the whole thing comes together. And very lightly I'm going to sprinkle this powder right on top of it. There you go. And here we have our potato which is ready. Voila. Now this reduction is amazing. You can use it as sugar syrup in any of your drinks and even add it to your desserts. There you go. And I have fresh basil right here. I love to place something for light freshness. A very simple and easy dish. So we have a saffron potatoes with Shrikant. So this dish is inspired by the colors of the country and also in a very creative form. So this is how I like to bring India to the world, by its colors, stories, history, and of course the cuisine.